So how can you sign a document with the iPad by using the Google Docs, right? So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, inside of the Google Documents, you don't really have the ability to just start drawing, or to mark up on it to add your signature. What you could technically do is if you already have like the signature saved in your gallery as a photo, you could tap on the plus button and insert it as the image, right? That would make sense because you could basically add it right there, but other than that, you don't really have the same options, right? So my personally favorite way to do it is to click on the three dots, click on the share and export, and I would just click on print, right? Because this basically turns it into a PDF document, which I'm not actually going to print out, but I'm going to click on share again, and you can see I have a PDF document which I can work with. So now the next step would be to save it to the Files app, and once I save it somewhere in my folders, like the local storage, for example, I'll be able to then click on it. It's now a PDF, and it opens up through the Apple's preview interface where we have the ability to click on the text field button and click on plus and add the signature. So now this lets me use the previously used signatures or come up with a new one, and it's much easier to work with it. So personally, I finished working in the Google Documents, have everything done and then export it to basically allow the signature to be added there. So that is all from me. I would really appreciate your feedback. Let me know what you think about this method below. If you have some more questions, it's possible I'll make an updated video about it, so you can let me know about those below. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.